Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your insurance card on Allstate. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and print your insurance cards out just for record purposes. How do you actually go ahead and find your insurance card on Allstate? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate account. Then you're going to scroll down, and then where it says automobile, you want to click on Get ID Card. Now, once you click on Get ID Card, you can see that you can select the vehicle that you want to go ahead and print your insurance card for. So you can cycle between all the cards that you have connected to Allstate. And so with that, all you got to do is scroll down to where it says View to Print. Click on View to Print, open up the PDF form of your insurance card, and then print out your insurance card. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your insurance card on Allstate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.